Here is the place I'm going to put these strawberries, which is basically right in the asparagus patch. So we'll see how that works. I've heard both ways on it. Some like it and some don't. Some say the asparagus shades out the strawberries. I did have a place set aside over here, and I ordered the strawberries in March, of course, and they didn't come. I ordered them from Farmer Seed Company, and here it is, July. They came on July 3rd after I ordered them on March 3rd. So obviously there's some tomato and pepper plants growing here because the strawberries didn't come. So I'm kind of disgusted about that. Probably I'm going to go ahead and plant them in the asparagus bed, and we'll see how that works. And maybe next year I'll order some from somebody else and plant them up here where I was going to plant them in the first place. So I'm going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is rake the leaf mulch aside in 2 wide rows, one for each batch. There's really not enough light here either. That's another thing that bothers me, but I have to do with what I've got. If they would have been sent a lot earlier, strawberries I usually planted early in the spring, so not in the middle of summer. So I'm unhappy that they were shipped to me in the middle of summer when I ordered them on March 3rd. Okay, wait, I'm going to start planting them right here because that's all I got. And then I'm going to plant them. First, I'm going to spade up this area, and I'll grab a trowel and plant them. I already got the first 25 planted here. These are Ozark Beauty. I even wonder if they were alive, but I'm going to plant them anyway. These are Quinault Everbearing. I don't know how you say that. It just rained like a whole inch last night, so it's good and muddy out here. It should be a good time to plant this stuff. like anything else you plant, it needs to go at the level that it was growing. It needs to go at the level that was growing before. The crown needs to be above the ground and cannot be buried. This should be pretty good soil because I'm seeing lots and lots of worms. I covered this whole area with leaves this spring, and so that's why there's so many worms here, which is a really good sign. Okay, there's the second batch of 3. This third variety is Fort Laramie, and so I'm going to plant them in this area right here that I spaded up. very few of these even have any green growth on them. So I'm going to be surprised if they're even alive. Here's one that has some green growth, but most of them look like this, with no green growth on them at all. That's why I'm planting more than one in a hill, because the ones that don't look alive, I'm just planting in there with another one. But yeah, I'm not happy.